So ayan na sa mga naghanap dyan ng ating family ipon bundle. Before ang price ko nito ay 990, ngayon are 499 only. So ano ba ang ating mga books na yan? Ito po lang po ang ating family ipon bundle book, ang ating Happy Wife Happy Life ni Mr. Chinky and Globy and Tand, at sa ating Raising Up Money Wise Kids. So naka family ipon bundle po yan, at sa ating Happy Wife Happy Life. So yan po. At ang ating Raising Up Money Wise Kids, the teen enriching money lesson to teach your kids. Naka family ipon bundle po to by Mr. Chinky Tand, at ang price nito is before 990 at ngayon bagsak presyo na po yan for only 499. At